Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm excited to show you our recipe for today. I'm going to do some salt and vinegar chips in the dehydrator using some green zucchinis. These chips are fun, easy, and healthy. They make a great snack. I'm going to show you how it's done now. I'm going to start by slicing up 4 large zucchinis using a mandolin. I'm going to make them about 2 millimeters thick. If you don't have a mandolin at home, then of course use a knife. Just make sure that you get them as even as possible. Put the zucchini slices into a big mixing bowl, and now we're going to add our salt and vinegar mix. We're going to add 1/4 cup of vinegar, and we're using half balsamic and half apple cider vinegar today. You could try different vinegars or different combinations. Do whatever suits your taste. Now I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of sea salt now, and then I'll save some to sprinkle over the top of the zucchini in the trays. Finally, just 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil. Give it a good mix through and make sure all of the zucchini has been coated properly. You can even let it sit for around 10 minutes just to soak up all of those juices. These can now go straight onto the dehydrated trays. You can place them quite close together because they will shrink quite a lot. Just make sure not to overlap them. Our trays are all fully loaded now. I've sprinkled a little bit of extra sea salt over the top of each one, and now we can put them back into the dehydrator, ready for us to punch in our time and temperature settings. Our time and temperature settings for this recipe are 75 degrees for 10 hours. So these have been dehydrating now for about 10 hours. Let's have a look and see how they've gone. So these look really good. They've dehydrated nicely. They're super crisp. They taste really good. It's time to get them off the trays. You can serve them straight away, or you can store them in an airtight container in the pantry. Who would have thought you could make salt and vinegar chips in the dehydrator? These zucchini chips are crispy and they taste delicious. They're healthy as well. Give them a go at home and let us know how you go in the comments below. As always, if you haven't already, hit subscribe to see more Luvele life recipes. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again in the next video.